going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. As you guys can see in the background, that is not my blue Rap E90. And as you can tell from the dual exhaust, that's actually a F32 435i. I just picked it up 4 days ago. And what we're gonna be doing to the car is, boom! Gotta start off with the wrap. So I picked it up 4 days ago, 60K miles, pretty good conditions. It has pretty much nothing done to it. It was completely stock. Package wise, it does have the sport package, so it does come with the M brakes. I believe they're Brembo brakes. They're 4 piston in the front and 2 piston in the back. Don't quote me on that. I have to do a little bit more research to find out exactly what they are. But so far, it's an excellent car. And like I said, 4 days ago, completely stock. First day that I had it home, I went out, got a resonator delete, got a muffler delete. Has a custom wide pipe. So this car has eco mode, comfort mode, and sport mode. In eco mode, it closes the valve off so it can be a lot quieter. So the guys at the muffler shop did an excellent job. They actually left the Veltronic on. So in eco mode, it's quieter than my E90, like way quieter. You honestly can't even hear it, especially in like highway, nothing at all. Put it in sport mode, and that's when the valve opens up. It just, yeah, it becomes a completely different car. Third day I had it, I downloaded MHD. So right now the car stock power is roughly around 306 according to the MHD app. I'm stage 1 right now, so it should be pushing around 370. If you add the resonator muffler delete, supposedly it's at maybe 5 horsepower, 10 horsepower. So let's say I'm running 380. So that's where the car stands right now. Verbal on just maxed out. I'm gonna do another tune, stage 2 tune, when my intercooler comes in, when my downpipe comes in. So the E90 is not going anywhere, guys. I have it parked outside. I'm just making a quick video for the F32 because that's what we're doing right now. We're doing the wrap, getting that all done. But there's a lot of E90 content that is gonna be coming out. I'm gonna definitely change it to the wrap because that was our first time wrapping a car. Some parts it came out a little nasty. I'm just gonna do it all over again. Different rear bumper. I really want to do the wide body. I pretty much had it all planned out. I was going to do the wide body, get a different change of color. But then this opportunity came up where I could get this one for a really low price, and I just went for it. So like I was saying, guys, the black paint is super scratched because of that car wash. The guys clearly didn't wash it by hand. So what we're doing right now, like I said, we're definitely going to wrap it gray. It's probably going to take like a week for us to get it all done. We're gonna start off with this back bumper just because the front bumper, I actually have a new bumper coming in. I was thinking of doing the F32, I think it's like the M-Tech bumper or something like that. It looks aggressive, but it's still lacking like a little bit of that. I don't know, it's just lacking something. It just didn't look that aggressive to me. So I went with the F80, which should be the M4 bumper for this guy. So it's gonna have an M4 bumper. It looks really aggressive, so that's the one that's coming in. It should take like maybe 4 or 5 days for it to get here. So we're gonna start with the back and work our ways to the front. Fast forward 2 days, guys, we're done with the bumper. We're done with all the left side. And the last thing we need to do is this panel right here. It's a huge panel, and the door, and then we're done with the wrap. Other than the front bumper, because the front bumper is still coming. I ordered it from Keys Motorsports. They said it was gonna take about 2 weeks. It's been like a week and a half, so hopefully they ship it out by Friday. Right now it's Wednesday. So once I get that M4 bumper, I did order some extra wrap through Vivid. The color is Gregory Gray, but if you put Gregory Gray and Nardo Gray literally close together, I don't think you'll notice the difference, because this in the sun looks exactly like Nardo Gray. There's a couple videos on YouTube how to remove the actual mirror. And I guess all you have to do is just kind of like with the remote inside, how you bring up the mirror all the way up, and when there's enough room, stick in one of your prying tools. This fool was using the small one, this guy right here. So using these small ones puts a lot of pressure. So he had it on and he was just sticking it in the corner and pry, and then boom, the whole mirror cracked. And to get a replacement, we checked online, and to get a replacement, because these are the heated ones, and I don't know what extra stuff it is, but it looked like it was gonna be like $299, almost $300 just for the mirror themselves. That's just crazy. But since I didn't break it, that was gonna pay for it. So be extremely careful, guys, if you guys are gonna use the prying tools, to use a really thick one, something like this. Because this is what we did on the other one, and the mirror came out fine, no cracks, no nothing. So we only have to order one. But if you guys are either gonna do the M4 style or they're gonna do the regular carbon fiber, I went the M4 style just because it looked a little bit more aggressive. But either way, if you guys are gonna do that, it is a simple process. Just be careful and use the right tools. So I'll see you guys once that side is done, and I'm gonna apply the second mirror cap. Once you take off the mirror, it's just super easy to take off the rest. It's just like push it off. And then you slap on the mirror, the carbon fiber. Honestly, if you guys do it the right way, it's probably gonna take like 5 minutes. So I'll see you guys once I finish this, and we'll probably go to the car wash, and I'll see you guys in the morning.
Hella fast, never slow, got the cash and the pedal to the